plurals for these, those over there in Reo Māori. He aha ēnei, what are these? He aha ēnā, what are those? He aha era, what are those over there? You'll find a link to this fun activity in the description panel below. Ēnei, these, ēnā, those, era, those over there. He aha ēnei, what are these? He hu ēnā, those are shoes. He aha ēnei, what are these? He rōpere ēnā, those are strawberries. He aha ēnei, what are these? He rākau ēnā, those are trees. He aha ēnā, what are those? He hu ēnei, these are shoes. He aha ēnā, what are those? He rōpere ēnei, these are strawberries. He aha ēnā, what are those? He rākau ēnei, these are trees. He aha era, what are those over there? He rōpere era, those over there are strawberries. He aha era, what are those over there? He hu era, those over there are shoes. He aha era, what are those over there? He rākau era, those over there are trees. Kupu, words. Ēnei, these. Ēnā, those. Era, those over there. Here are some kupu you will find in the activity. Hu, shoe. Rākau, tree. Rōpere, strawberry. Whetū, star. Horo, or manu, bird. You can find other YouTube videos or activities if you look up EduCos links. Ka kite anō. See you again soon.